Hi, my name is Mark Baker. I'm with Eliminator Boats, sales manager, and we're here at the Eliminator Open House. So we do the open house for customer appreciation. We invite all of our customers out to come see their builds, and future customers to come out and get pricing on new builds. And you know, it's just a great time to come out and enjoy the day. We have a lot of vendors here, as you can see. We have Deck X, AO coolers, detail specialties. We got food, we got beer, we got a couple RV setups here, golf carts, a few boats on sale, and yeah, we just want to invite everyone down and have a good day with us. Some of the boats we have our Fun Deck, we have our 25 Speedster, we have our 27 Speedster, 31 Speedster, 33 Speedster, and then we have a few Daytonas in the showroom for sale. For more information, you can check us out at eliminatorboat.com, and our social media is @EliminatorBoats.